Today we're going to see how fast the Prius Prime is. We'll be right back. Good morning, guys. This is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So I'm going to be using a program called Torx. I have a Bluetooth dongle that is plugged into the ODB2 connector of the Prius Prime, and that is communicating via Bluetooth to a piece of software called Torx Pro. I'll have a link in the description below to purchase the hardware, and you can buy the program either on iOS or Android. Okay, so I'm using it on a Note 9. It's very, very powerful. You can pretty much gather any type of information you like. There are some of these devices that are programmable, allowing you to change functions and features of your car or your truck that you may have, but that comes in a monthly service contract, so you might not want to do that. This one, we're just going to be monitoring the times of how fast it is and how slow it is, for that matter. And let's get to it. Let's get to where we need to go. So it is early in the morning. It is about 10 to 8, 5 to 8 in the morning. And we purposely forced the engine on, so I'm going to get the engine all warmed up and ready to go for this test. The first one we're going to be doing is Eco, and this should be interesting. And here we go. That is done. So we're going to go to the next test site, and we're going to do the identical test, Eco mode, in electric only. All right, here we go. So much fun. Okay, we're done with the Eco test in electric mode. Capture that data. So I'm hoping you're enjoying this video so far. As you can see, we've got both the Eco mode in gas and electric, and we're comparing the two right now on the screen. I'll leave them there for a couple of seconds so you can actually compare the two. It is quite impressive and interesting nonetheless. And I'm not a professional driver, but this piece of hardware and software make me seem like I am. Normal mode gas we'll be doing first, and then normal mode electric. I'm going to be doing that right now. And we're off. Close the windows. Let's capture that. Okay, now we're going to do normal mode and electric mode. And here we go. Okay. We're done. Just finished normal mode and a gas and electric. And now we're going to do power mode, gas and electric. Power mode, gasoline. Okay. power mode electric. Here we go. Okay, done. All right, so we have some interesting data that we have to review. The electric does feel peppy going from, like, say, we haven't done this test yet. We'll probably end up doing it probably in the next video. Is how quick does it accelerate for like 50 miles an hour to like 70 miles an hour. We need that kind of, but I'm not sure if we could get that kind of information in this application that I have. We'll have to see. But I hope you enjoyed this. Hope you enjoyed this, because this puts a lot of things to bed, thinking that I thought the electric was actually faster than gasoline, to be honest with you. But it's clearly not. It feels like it is, because of the, you actually feel sucked into the seat. But believe it or not, it could be more of an illusion. Only because you don't hear anything. The torque is substantially more, but the acceleration is not as much as gas. And the times prove that. So guys, if you like this video, hey guys, so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And as always, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And of course, hit that bell for future notifications. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.